Daily English for kids. Avoid staying up late. Avoid staying up late. देर तक मत जागें. Don't jump on the bed. Don't jump on the bed. बिस्तर पर ना कूदें. Refrain from eating junk food. Refrain from eating junk food. Junk food ना खाएं. Stay away from electrical sockets. Stay away from electrical sockets. बिजली के सॉकेट से दूर रहें. Don't slam the doors. Don't slam the doors. दरवाजे ज़ोर से बंद ना करें. Avoid crossing the road alone. Avoid crossing the road alone. अकेले सड़क अबूर ना करें. Don't forget to say please. Don't forget to say please. Please कहना मत भूलें. Avoid climbing on furniture. Avoid climbing on furniture. फर्नीचर पर मत चढ़ें. Avoid eating too fast. Avoid eating too fast. बहुत तेज़ी से ना खाएं. Don't skip brushing your teeth. Don't skip brushing your teeth. दांत साफ करना ना छोड़ें. Do not play with matches. Do not play with matches. माचिस से ना खेलें. Keep off the grass. Keep off the grass. घास पर ना चलें. Don't hit your brother. Don't hit your brother. अपने भाई को ना मारें. Avoid using bad words. Avoid using bad words. बुरे अल्फाज नहीं बोलते. Stay away from strangers. Stay away from strangers. अजनबियों से दूर रहें. Refrain from lying. Refrain from lying. झूठ नहीं बोलते. Don't pull the cat's tail. Don't pull the cat's tail. बिल्ली की दुम ना खींचें. Avoid drawing on the walls. Avoid drawing on the walls. दीवारों पर ड्राइंग ना करें. Keep your room clean. Keep your room clean. अपने कमरे को साफ रखें. Don't push others. Don't push others. दूसरों को ना धकेलें. Subscribe for more. Keep watching.